is Miss Stephanie and myself. We're here every week next to share and show the West Coast Swing dance sequence that we hope you use when you go dancing, whether you're just social dancing, you're competing, just learning, want to learn something new because you just need a new routine. This is something I hope you like. The first part of this is a regular whip to the fourth count. Nothing new. Ladies go 2 turns. She does her coaster. Guys get back on front on her, my left foot on her right foot. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? That's the basic part. The next part of 5, 6 does change. For a pivot turn for her, but we're going to include a hand change. I'll show you that now. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So I turn into my right, put her right into my right hand. Now we're close to each other, so this is really hard to stop. Because the momentum of this move really is where it starts right here. So on 1, 2, 3, and 4, switch hands. 5, 6. Right hand behind. Left hand, guys, is on her hip because of what I'm going to do next. So I need it there. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So close enough, okay? Her right and my left. The next part is 7, and I'm taking her right arm, bringing it over my head, and making her step, another step, clockwise. Add that shirt push. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm on my right, Stephanie's on her left. Now we're just going to add another walk. You can add more walks if you're more comfortable with it. You can eliminate them. But we've added just a series for everyone in the class, so I'll say the same concept. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now then from 8, I'm going to let go of Stephanie, but I'm going to keep her rotating clockwise. And I'm going to turn for 9. Okay, now it's kind of hard to stop. But on 9, 10 is when I do a tandem turn. So we're going to show you 9, 10, 11, and 12, because it kind of works when you add the rest of it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The tandem turn is tough with the hand change, but guys, that's why we record the video, so you can practice it, take your time, use it when you're comfortable. So a little bit quicker, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. You end up in a right to right, okay? Handshake. So going front to back on a shoulder push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and change. Walk, walk, hop, turn, tandem, turn, right to right. Okay? Then from there, there's a billion things to do. We're just going to drape 1, 2, 3, and 4. She loves to drape. She's going to be mad at me because I'm doing that. But you can do whatever you want on a right to right. Okay? So, whole thing. Hope you like it. Shoulder push. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Walk. Drape over the head, and then slide down. That is the Texas Tommy second version. It is more challenging. We will not deny saying that. But that's why we record it, so you can take your time, practice it, and use it. We hope you like it. If not, I'll have some for you next week. But hope you like it, because she keeps track. So guys, remember to like it. Remember to subscribe for a free video. We see you next time. And until then, have a great week. And as always, keep dancing.